second function is f of x, yeah, f of n, when there is n number. So n is minus 5 plus 6n divided by 5. So are these are function inverse function of one another or not? So for this we need to prove G composition with F. Okay, same you can solve F composition with G. So first of all, write down first function. First function is G function. So you need to write 12 minus 12 minus 2n divided by 3. Then replace n by f function, this function. So if you replace, so minus 12 minus 2 and the value of n, replace total function like minus 5 plus 6 divided by 5 and whole divided by what? Whole divided by 3. This one. So we have minus 12 minus. You need to multiply 2 with this one. So divided by same we have what? We have 5. So when you multiply minus with minus become plus. 2 multiply with 5 it means 10. And also we have divided by 5. Same minus 2 multiply with plus. So minus 12 and also divided by 5 and whole divided by what? Whole divided by 3. So again we have what? We have minus 12. Then simplification of 5 and 10 is 2. Then we have what? 12 divided by 5. So 12 divided by 5 plus 10 over 5. Which one is plus 10? Okay, okay, correct, correct, plus 2 over 5. So minus 12 minus 2 and then if you divide, okay, where is n? Sorry guys, this is 6n, not only 6. So this one is 12n. Great. So if you divide 12 by 5, so equal to what? Equal to 2.4. 2.4 with n. So minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. Minus 14 minus 2.4. 2.4n and also divided by what? Also divided by 3. So the result is not n, result is not x. So when result is only n or result is x, then we can say that these two functions are inverse of each other. But in this you can see result is minus 14 minus 2.4 n divided by 3. Correct? Okay. Okay. Let me start one another. Again, I'm going to share you, and you can see. So, can you see this one? So, let's start one another example. What if we solve question number first? I think this one is inverse of one another. So, let me start first one. First one is g of x So I'm going to share screen with you. Let's try one another example. So example number first. Example number first was okay. Example number first, it was given that g of x is equal to 4 minus 3 divided by 2 x. What is g of x? F of x. So f of x is given. F of x is equal to 1 over 2 x minus, sorry, plus 3 divided by 2. So to prove that these are inverse of one another or not. So you can solve f of g of x and g of f of x. So let me solve what? Let me solve f of g of x. F composition g. It means that first write down f function. So if you write f function, so 1 over 2, then x, then we have plus 3 divided by 2. Now replace x by total g function, this function. So if you replace, so we have 1 over 2, then replace x value, correct? Then last we have 3 divided by 2. So what is g of x function? G of x function is 4 minus 3 divided by 2 with x. Okay. 1 over 2 multiply with 4, 1 over 2 multiply with 3 divided by 2. First, if you multiply 1 over 2 with 4, so what will be the result? It means 4 divided by 2. Same, if you multiply 1 over 2 with this one, so this will be 1 multiply with 3. Yes, Nakibullah. 1 multiply with 3 and 2 multiply with 2 equal to 4. Yes, Nakibullah, you want to say something? Okay, so 1 multiply 3 and 2 multiply 2, so 4, and we have x as well here. Okay, great. So we have plus 3 divided by 2, plus 3 divided by 2. Now you need to simplify. So we have 4 over 2 and 3 over 2. Write down in first 4 divided by 2. Then we have last one 3 divided by 2. Then we have what? 3 divided by 4x. So how to simplify this one? You can see 3 divided by 2, 4 over 2. So you can see denominator same, both. So taking LCM, LCM will be 2. We have 4, adding here, okay, numerator. So 4 plus 3 divided by 2. And we have what? 3 divided by 4 into x. Yes, you can simplify, you can cut this value. So result will be same. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 divided by 2. And minus 3 divided by 2 into x. So this means that you cannot simplify these further. Correct? Only 7 divided by 2 equal to 3.5. So 3.5 minus 3 divided by 2, you can write 1.5. 1.5 and x. So this is last answer. So 3.5 minus 1.5 x. So this means that these two are not inverse of each other. If result is only x, so then these two are inverse of each other. Okay. Great, great. Yes, Bilal, not inverse. Okay, let me start another example. Another example from okay, how to find inverse of two functions. You can see questions are given. How to find inverse. This was proof of inverse. Now how to find inverse of these functions. You are given. So how to find inverse? So let me start. Okay, I will solve first and second. These two, the ninth number and tenth number. Finding inverse. First one is given h of x, and second one is g of x. Okay. Now let me start. Let me share my screen. Again, whiteboard. Okay, first function was h of x. H of x is equal to cubic root, third root of x, and minus 3. Minus 3 is outside. So there were four steps, if you remember, finding inverse of a function. What was first one? First rule is replace h of x or g of x or f of x. This function, f of x is given, g or h is given, replace by y. So replace by y equal to what? Equal to x cubic root minus 3, or third root or cubic root. What was step number second? Step number second was interchanging x and y values. In place of x, y, you need to write x, and in place of x, you need to write y. So y and cube. Then we have minus 3. Step number third. Step number, sorry, this was step number 2. Step number third is find the value of y. So solve this equation for y. So for solving y, first of all transfer 3 to other side. So we have x plus 3 equal to what? We need to find value of y. So cubic root. So we have equation like x plus 3 equal to what? Y cube. Y cube. So how to find y? Yes, if we take cube on both sides, because the value of root cubic root is 1 over 3. If it's square root, like square root, so value of square root is 1 over 2. So we only cancel this cubic root with third power. Great. Thank you. Yes. So taking cube on both sides, if you take cube here and also cube here, so 3 cancel with 3. Only we are left with y. So y is equal to what? X plus 3 whole cube. X plus 3 whole cube. This is inverse function. You can write if inverse correct of x equal to this one. X plus 3. X of explaining this one with formula, just giving values starting x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. So finding inverse of a function. One question, no. Next question. Like, yes, Firdos. No, 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 no. Firdos, this is another topic. In previous topic, two functions were given, and you need to prove that these are inverse of each other. If you find composition of all these two functions and result is x, so that then is called inverse function. Now this is another topic. When one function is given, how to find inverse of this function. So this was inverse of another function. Previous topic, in this one, this is totally different. Okay, another topic, another question, same from solving for inverse. Oh, Shifa Basha, Firdaus. Okay. Uh, Another function is g of x. G of x is equal to 1 over x minus 2. So how to find inverse function? How to find inverse of g of x? So inverse of g of x, uh, again, what is rule? Rule is replace g of x, h of x or f of x, first one, replace with y. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1 over x. 1 over x and minus 2. Step number first. Step number second, interchanging value of x and y. So you need to write x is equal to 1 over y and minus 2. Step number second. Now step number third, solve for y. X is equal to what? X is equal to 1 over y and minus 2. So first of all, transfer minus 2 to other side. X plus 2 equal to 1 over y. Correct? Okay. Now, from cross multiplication, if you multiply y to this side and x plus 2 to other side, so y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2. So this one is the inverse function. F of minus 1 of x. Yeah, symbol for inverse function. 1 over x plus 2. Great, 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 great. So inverse function. How to find inverse of a function? Okay, let me try one another. So what we can solve? Okay, I found one example which is inverse of one another. Two function inverse of one another. So let me try. G of x and f of x, these are only names. But a function is given g of x, you find new function inverse, you can give another name. Okay, I'm going to share another again my screen. Can you see whiteboard? Whiteboard is visible to you guys. Function is given. Uh, Function is equal to g of x. Though this one is for you. G of x is equal to minus 2 over x minus 1. And f of x is given. F of x is equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1. So no need to find these are inverse of each other or not. So how you can prove? You can prove with the help of composition. G composition with f. So you need to write first g function. G function is minus 2 divided by what? We have x and we have minus 1. Then you need to replace x with f of x function. So you can write minus 2 divided by x. So x is equal to minus 2 divided by what? Divided by x plus 1. And we have what? We have minus 1. Correct? Okay, this is friction over friction. Correct? Kasrul kasr. So you need to multiply x plus 1, this one, with 2. Okay, so this will be minus 2, and we have what? We have x plus 1, and divided by what? Divided by we have minus 2, and we have minus 1. So you can see minus cancel with minus, 2 cancel with 2. Result is only x plus 1 and minus 1. So plus 1 cancel with minus 1, we are left only with x. So this proves that g of x and f of x, these are inverse of each other. Correct? Great, 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 great. Okay, Firdaus, so you can prove like this is g of f of x, you can prove f of g of x, result will be same. So you need to write what you need to write. You need to write f of x function. F of x is minus 2 divided by what? Divided by x plus 1. But directly I will tell you that replace x with g function. So you need to write minus 2 divided by x, and we have minus 1. Then you need to write what? You need to write plus 1 here. Okay, yes, we have plus 1 here. This is x value from this equation. X is equal to this one. So you can see minus 1 cancel with plus 1. Only we have minus 2 divided by what? Divided by minus 2 divided by x. So when you multiply x with this 2, so what will be the result? Minus 2 with x, and divided by what? Divided by we have minus 2 again. So minus 2. So when you cancel minus 2 with minus 2, only we are left with x value. So again f of g of x is also x. Result is x. And this one is also x. It means that these both are inverse of each other. Clear guys? Okay, 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 okay. So what is next? Tell me what we can solve next. Yes. Okay, domain, yes, great. So next we have domain. So this meeting going to end just in 2 minutes. So I will end this meeting and give me just 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will start another one. Correct? Okay. Allah Hafiz. See you. See you in next meeting.